Tesla adjusts price of its at-home charging wall connector. Tesla has adjusted the price of its at-home wall connector that allows owners to gain range from the comfort of their garages. Tesla has adjusted the price by increasing it by $50. It now is $475. Tesla's wall connector is ideal for a variety of places, including apartments or even offices, in some scenarios. It is one of the advantages Tesla owners have over gas engine drivers, as its ability to supply owners with up to 44 miles of range per hour can give someone who didn't have time to stop at a supercharger the ability to gain enough range to avoid the all too commonly talked about range anxiety. Tesla's most recent iteration of the wall connector debuted in January 2020 with the 3rd Gen edition. Featuring a white glass faceplate, it provides a clean, compact look for anyone that fits nearly any design style. Tesla debuts 3rd Gen wall connector charger with Wi-Fi and new white glass design. It also features plenty of features that can be looked at as nothing but advantageous for Tesla owners. These include Wi-Fi connectivity for over-the-air updates, remote diagnostics and access controls, scheduled charging via the Tesla app, a 24-foot cable, and a versatile design that operates both indoors and outdoors. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at Teslarati.